irrepressibly bright and spirited, Ben experienced life at full tilt.
Israel's established a thriving democracy with a spirited civil society and proud political parties and a tireless free press and a lively public debate. Lively may be an understatement. Now, Mitt Romney and I ran a long and spirited campaign against one another. But I've always believed that when he was governor here in Massachusetts, he did the right thing on health care. Through raucous comedies and stirring dramas and spirited musicals, Shirley's been fearless, and she's been honest, and she's tackled complicated characters, and she's revealed a grittier, deeper truth in each one of those characters, giving every audience the experience of cinema at its best.
Mr. President, you yourself acknowledge the controversial timing of your comments on the EU referendum and the spirited debate that we're having